How to delete your Steam account permanently. Now this will work on Steam web browser or web browser where you open up Steam, and the mobile app as well. So first you can go to store.steampower.com and make sure you're signed into your Steam account. And then you want to click on your name next to your profile image, and then you want to go to account details, and then you can click on delete my Steam account at the bottom. And this should open up a new page and tell you the steps that you need to perform in order to be able to delete your account. So the first step is to verify your ownership of the account. Make sure that the account is owned by you. And then Steam will respond to your request to confirm your information and the ownership. And once that is confirmed, you should be moved to step 3, which will lock your account for 30 days. And then after 30 days, it's going to be deleted if you don't cancel or contact Steam to ask for not removing your account and cancel the removal process. And during this lock period, you won't be able to play any games or use the Steam account at all. And you can read more about the frequently asked questions on the right side. Now, if you're okay with that, you can click on proceed to account deletion, which is the one at the bottom here, which should take you to this page where you'll need to fill out all these informations. And once you fill out all these informations, such as the first email you used or the phone number on your account or the CD keys they have used and everything else you need to let Steam know, you can send these informations and wait a couple of working days where they can confirm this and get back to you to proceed with the deletion. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.